guys, I'm going to show you how to unbox an international standard caffeine sachet. Now, according to IUPAC, caffeine is a world regulatory drug, which means you're supposed to open it with socks and preferably your legs. And so I'm gonna stick to IUPAC because I hate chemistry. Anyway, so I have caffeine in here. We know about chemistry. So I have caffeine sachet in here, and I'm gonna be unboxing it clearly, effectively. Now, what is my aim in buying a $25,000 caffeine sachet? Well, my aim is to start a caffeine empire. Why? Well, what is my method? Well, I would buy some caffeine, throw it in the river, and then after 2 or 3 centuries, I'll go back to the same place, harvest the caffeine, and you can do all sorts of things with it. I would drink it, eat it, fudge it, all sorts of stuff, and I can do all sorts of stuff. And to do all sorts of stuff, first of all, let's stop getting too ambitious. Let's just unbox this, and then let's start thinking about starting our own empire. So how do you unbox this? Well, to unbox this, I'm trying to open it. I mean, this socks is just too tough. It's too hard to do this. So how do I open it? Well, to open it, yeah, I'm opening it right now. Yeah, there you go. It's being opened. And yay, I found caffeine. So this is an international standard caffeine tin that I'm opening right now, and there you go. That is the tin. It's pure caffeine, and it just fell down. Excuse me. There you go. There is the caffeine tin. I mean, it looks a little bit dirty, but you see, caffeine is one of the most brownest drug in the history of all drugs. So give me a minute. Let me try to open this with only one hand. I mean, I can't open it for some reason. One second, give me a moment. There you go. I opened the tin. This is the tin. What is inside it? I got ripped. What the fudge? I got ripped. No!